We've had a lot of rainfall the last few days. This is the little weir at Arrowbrook. As you can see, it is really full. There's the Arrowbrook stream itself. It's very rare you see it as full as this. There's the weir itself, heading downstream. It's about what, 3:30 now, so it's just starting to get dark. So there you go, 2 in one day, snippets from the Wirral. That's me, and that's me. Mini Niagara, actually, a mini Niagara. Okay, that's me signing out. Have a good day to anybody who does watch this, including yourself. Take care.